the before. Okay, so I've already washed my hair. It's been a couple of days. I've been stalling to do my hair. It's time. I'm gonna go in with 2 different leave-in conditioners. The first one is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E, cocoa butter, and biotin length retention leave-in conditioner. And it's also a detangler heat protect moisturizer. Next is Garnier Whole Blend Smoothing Leave-in Conditioner, coconut oil, and cocoa butter. Cacao butter extract deeply nourishes and smooths and softens. I don't know if they sell this anymore. This stuff is the bee's knees. I love Garnier in my hair. I know a lot of black people don't really talk about it, but I'm one where I feel like it really works and it does this thing for my hair. I used to actually use their shampoo and conditioner. Well, I know why I fell off because I cut my hair. Yeah, let's get to it. Not to mention, this smells so good. For Garnier. And after I washed my hair, I didn't do anything to my hair. I literally just put a shirt on and let it dry, and then that's all I did. So that's why my hair needs some extra loving. Okay, so hair has both of the leave-ins, and I'm just gonna blow out my hair now so I can get some more length when we go ahead and do our hair. Chia. But you can't say I don't, because I do. So I've parted my hair. It is 2:42. Just stalling. I don't know why. And the reason why I'm staying up is because my wife gets back home she gets back today later on, and I wanted to look like somebody. Like, didn't want to look like how she left me, you know? It's looking like a has-been, but now I need to look like a wife. So we're doing my hair. I gotta do my nails. We gotta get into it. We're doing the crochet method. I've only done crochet like once, and that was for my passion twist, which I have a video on that, which I'll link up above for you guys if you haven't seen it. And I don't know how much hair I'm gonna do on each one, so once I like play with it, I'll let you guys know what I decided upon. Welcome back. So I couldn't figure out the crochet method. I kept trying to do it and it didn't work in my favor. And I think I remember why. Well, I think I remember that last time I didn't use the crochet needle because I couldn't figure it out then. So the technique that I have been using is I got these rubber bands in for no reason. Well, no, because my hair is parted now. But I decided that I was taking out the rubber bands, splitting it in half, and then putting the hair inside, and then closing it back up with my hair and putting a rubber band. So I'm gonna show you that really quickly. I have 1, 2, 3 left, but I'm gonna show you this one just because it's closer. And as you guys can see, I did start putting my accessories on my hair, giving it more of my flair, and then also, you know, the boho chic flair. So, and guys, I had this this unicorn gel. It's from Eco Styling. I didn't realize that it actually makes my hair turn a color. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that blue, but I thought it was just like you see, you can see it, but I just didn't think like it would really show up on my hair. So I'm gonna show y'all. Like, I thought it was gonna come on clear, which I'm not mad at, because I love a little razzle dazzle, okay? Love the extra. All right, so I put some of that on. Oh yeah, and then I've seen that the girls say to put your rubber bands in oil, so that's what I did today. Typically, I still think this, but I would think that the oil would make them pop easily, but apparently not, that they're good for not having as much damage done to your hair. So, rubber band, hair, and I don't take the full piece. I just take a half of the piece. So this is a half and this is the other half. I just spread this one out more because I notice when I go with the thicker piece, it makes it a middle piece. So when I put the other one on, I can do the 3 upper braids. So yeah. So here we are, split that right here. Now we got that space there. I'm going to put this right in the middle, and I try to put them like between something so it doesn't come up. And then now I'm going to, okay, got both of the pieces, and now we're going to secure it with the rubber band.
And for extra security, once I get to a certain point with the rubber band, I'll go ahead and grab the hair and put it in a piece of the rubber band as well. Just because I do have shorter hair and my hair isn't as long as, my hair is not long. So for me, I've been having to do extra security to make sure that my hair does not slide out, because, which I'll show you, well, I'll be editing that video soon. But when I had box braids in, them things was slipping out. And I was like, dang, I thought I did like, you know, a good job in securing them. Nope, them things was slipping out. One came out in church and I was just like, had to grab it and put it in my pocket. So yeah, all right, so I think this one is just gonna be all black. So then I take one full one and I like to stretch it out like this. I don't mind the little curls on the end. I think it just gives more character. It's super cute. But when you take it apart, it still doesn't like take it away. Like you can still have it. So I stretch like this and then I go in with a half a piece from this. Well, not this one, but you know, the hair. I take a full one and a half piece and I just put it in the middle like so. So one piece is here and then that piece is gonna go around. And then what I like to do is these two that are now in the middle, I cross them over at least twice. And then now I'm going to hold that piece and then I'll take this one, the two that are in the middle, and this one. The two in the middle are going to combine with this one right here. So I'm gonna take that, bring it under. And because I'm going for a certain kind of look at the base, I did end up like doing some extra stuff just to get it all puffed up, you know, up there. Because I have a thing about like when you have your parts a certain size and then you have your hair a certain size and it's smaller and it just doesn't vibe out correctly. To me, I hate seeing a big part and then there's only a little bit of hair. Like, what are we doing? Where's the rest of the hair? Okay, so this is mine. I'm gonna grab another half a piece to add on top of here because it's pretty thin. Taking this one and I'm just gonna wrap it in just on top, and I'm gonna do that a couple of times just so I can get the full effect of fullness at the top. And then once I get that, then I'll start braiding just a little bit, just a little. Okay, so now that I have my desired base, I'm gonna go ahead and braid down. I say braid down at least maybe 2 of these, 1 and 2, because I don't want too much braid because I want it to go straight into the twist. Then you combine, I like to combine the biggest one because that means it has the most hair, and distribute that across the 2 other pieces. So I'm gonna split this one, and I have 1 now and I have 2. So now we have 2. And now you want to start twisting. For these twists, it's basically like Senegalese twist. You're gonna turn one way and then turn the other the opposite. So for this side, my left hand side, I go inward, and then for my right hand side, I go inward as well. So it's like they're connecting each other. And then you just wanna cross over and you wanna just keep doing that same motion all the way down. So it kind of gives you like a tight twist, and it's great for like at the bottom because you don't have to put anything on it because of the way you twist it. It's basically locking it in. But also with this, as you can see, it's a little tight, so I've been just spreading it out a little bit because I don't really want too much of that tight look. And also with this hair, it'll also like expand yet again, but I just like it to look a certain way before I, you know, finish all the way through. So you see how it's kind of done now? I will take another color, and I have this pretty rose gold, so I'm gonna use these two. And this part, I'm gonna go a little bit back up so that way it doesn't look too skinny when I add in these two. So now you have these two waiting. And this hair, because remember I told you about the curls, I've been letting them like kind of just stick out. Like, I guess, what are they calling them? Like the boho box braids and stuff. So I leave that out. Anyway, so I'm going to add these in now. So you just want to put it on like a horseshoe. So this one is going to get this piece. This one is going to go to that piece. So now I'm going to start doing the twist again. Left one is going to go in. Twist for a good little bit, because then when it's time to connect, you got to move a little bit quickly. And then the right one is going in as well, and then you cross over and you cross over, cross over. And then I like to just detangle it on the way down. It just makes it a whole lot easier. And then you see the little curl, and then I'll just usually like do a little something like that. And then when I put my charms and stuff on, I'll, you know, fix it a little bit better. And this is what I've been doing for my hair.
And what I've been doing also is I've been doing like a tiny braid at the end, just in between doing the twisting. So I notice I like the way the way it looks. So like this has like a braid somewhere in there. This one too. There's a braid somewhere in there that you can't see because I did twist, then a little braid, twist, and then a little braid, just to really lock it in, because I'm not sure. I don't think I'm putting them in water. We'll see. I'm gonna go like this. I'm actually gonna keep this pink that long. I think it's cute. So yeah. So we have this. See, I'm doing a braid now, and then I am going to split a piece, or split the longest piece amongst the 2 little braids I have left, and then do the twisting motion again. I don't know which way is better for y'all. And then I'm gonna just leave that like that. And then for this part, so I split it, this piece. I'm gonna do a little wrap and let that one hang like that. And then I'm gonna put a charm to hold it in place. Okay, so you see the little piece here, and this one, cuff, the charm. This is the piece that we're talking about. I'm going to go like this. So wrap it, and then I'm going to we're going to go open it as far as you need to get it on the way that you would prefer. And then now it's just right there. The other 2 are right here, having a good time. But yeah, I like the little curls on it. So far, this is what we're looking like. I've started putting my, I keep wanting to say decor, fun stuff, putting charms, wire, beads, shells. I have white shells, and then I also have a gold shell as well. I just have a bunch of stuff that I'm just kind of looking to see where I want it, and then I'm just doing it as I go, wherever I think looks cute that I like, then that's what I'm doing. So here's the back so far. Okay, so here's the back. This is what they're looking like. So I have 2 more, 1, and then there's 1 back here. So I'm gonna do those, and then I will come back and show you guys the final product. So guys, this is the hair. I know it's a lot going on back there, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys the hair while my face is dead. So yeah, this took me, I want to say 6 to 7 hours, of course with a break or so in between, which is the luxury of being able to do your own hair, okay? Yeah, I am going to go ahead and put the hair that I use down in the box below. And I want to say I used 2.5 of this hair, which is the spring hair. I'll have that. Actually, hold on. Okay, the hair that I used is this Expression Twisted Up. It's the Springy Afro Twist in the color 1B. It's pre-separated and pre-fluffed. So this is what she looks like. This is what I used. So you can see the front. And then this is what she looks like far away. This is what I used. It came with 3 of them, and I used 2 full packs of this, and then I used another 3rd from here. So I used 7. We'll say 7 of the bundles were used for this. And I also used the Cuban twist hair, which is the gray hair that you see. I used the Cuban twist for that. And then there are some pieces of Kanekalon braiding hair in here. There's some Kanekalon hair, which is going to be like any pink or like the pink rose gold that you might see. That's gonna be Kanekalon hair. There was no rhyme or reason. I did know that I wanted to do like a skunk patch with the gray. So I kind of tried to do that, and this is what we came up with. Do we like it or? Okay, so here's the hair. And there are no specific lengths for them. I literally just kept going or not going. And then I also decided to do some decor on them. So some of them have beads, as you can see. Beads, colorful beads, clear beads, charms, as you can see right here. More beads again. And then some over here are just scraggly and long, because I like the curl that it had on the end. This one was really curled up, really cute. And here are some more beads. I have some wooden beads in here somewhere. And oh, and then I also decided to use some wire that I had, different colors of wire, and I just kind of tied them against the hair, however look cute. And that was really it. The only thing is I'm just like, you know, trying to keep up with my edges, which is why I wanted to come and show you this before it got old, because that kind of happened with my braids and didn't film an ending. Yeah, so here we are. Let me know what you guys think about it. Would you wear this hair? Would you do something similar? What would you do different? Yeah, just let me know down in the comments below. Do you think it's cute? I think it's cute. If you have any questions or comments or anything resonated with you in this video, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed watching this video and it was helpful to you in any way, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you are enjoying me being me, my personality, and the information that I have for you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. And later.